The next part of planning your lesson is going to be finding an activity that you like to use for your lesson plan. Again, at this point, you can just use ideas that you have in your head. You can go to Google, but I find that it's really fun to look some things up on Pinterest to get some ideas and then make them your own. So for our lesson plan today, we're looking at comparing numbers to 10. It's actually comparing objects to 10. This is pretty specific. I might be too specific in my search, but I'm just going to go into Pinterest and I'm going to select comparing objects to 10 and see what I get. And you can see we have a lot of different things to do. What you want to do in Pinterest is when you find something you like, you're going to click on it. Let's see what I can find. And you can see the further down you go, the more off topic you get. And I might even go up here and I might just say comparing numbers and see if that gets me different things. Because I can adjust that it's to 10. So I'm going to go to comparing numbers and see what I get here. Okay, oh, I like this one. Jelly bean jar, comparing the numbers. Here's Skittles. Here's number puzzles. There's Uno cards. Oh, look, here's a song, a greater than, less than song. Remember, coming up, you're going to have to come up with an effective lead into your lesson. So you can see right away, there's some YouTube videos. Here's giant alligators that are active for kids. Here might be an assessment sheet. Now, definitely we're not comparing numbers that big in pre-K. But remember, numbers 1 to 10, you could make your own worksheet. Here's an activity called Shake It Off with comparing numbers. So again, searching here, searching anywhere. And you can use any kind of object. Here we have goldfish. Really up to you. The other thing I want to find while I'm in Pinterest would be a book about comparing numbers. And I'll look in Pinterest and see if I found one. Math. Let's see. Story comparing numbers. See if that gets me anything. There is one. I'm not sure that's kind of a good match. Here's comparison of length. Might be okay. Here. Alfie the Alligator, a rhyming book about comparing numbers. There aren't a lot here. Here's the other thing I want to show you. If you just go out to Google and go to using children's literature to teach math, and then let's see. I know there's a couple different sources that are great. This is thebestchildrensbooks.org. This is a pretty good one, and these are math books. And so here's numbers and counting. Let's see if we can kind of make that work for comparing. Let's see what this one shows us. So we have 1 is a snail, 10 is a crab, Olivia counts, click, clack, splish, splash. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, City by Numbers, Food for Thought. You can see there's a lot of books on counting and numbers, and so you might want to find one there that you like. And I'm just going to do a quick Google search. One more. Comparing numbers, children's literature. I'm going to go into this one. This is a NACCE article. And here you can see they have the titles listed, and you just kind of would have to scroll down and see which book it would be or which books they would be. That's a nice little article there. I'm going to include some of these in your D2L file for planning so you can see where you can find some of these children's books. But basically when you're deciding on a lesson idea, you want to find things that would get you that lead, the things that would get you the activity, because that's what you need to have in your head before you write the objective.